Ron, what's up with them beats?
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today what we're talking about is what broker I'm going to use for trading, and let's get right into it. So if you guys don't know, I'm start off with explain what the pattern day trader rule is. So the PDT rule is a rule where you can only do 3 round trips of trading 5 day in any given day, 5-day periods. For example, if you were to trade on Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, that Wednesday would be your last day trade for the week, and you wouldn't be able to trade until that next Monday. So as you can see, it's hard to scale, but you might ask, what's the point of that day trader rule? So the SEC, they see it as a way to protect traders in a way where they could stop them from over trading or blowing up their accounts. And I agree with that. Definitely, if you're holding people back, newer traders, to 3 days a week, that could definitely help in minimizing the amount of day trades they take, in which they could minimize the losses. However, it will minimize your gains, so that's why I'll be using Ustocktrade, because it bypasses that PDT rule. And how does it do that? Well, Ustock is a peer-to-peer broker where you can day trade as much as you want. However, it's not like your regular broker. Peer-to-peer brokers are brokers where you could day trade. As much as you want, because you're basically selling shares to, I believe, other Ustock customers. So as you might know, the liquidity isn't really good. So you might see a little liquidity, or what they call it, limited liquidity in some of these lower cap stocks. So as you can see here, no account minimums, so that's pretty good. Unlimited day trades, that's the whole reason I'm here. And then the commissions, which is amazing. $1 commissions, $1 in, $1 out, so it's $2 total, and like a $1 monthly fee, which isn't much. And then you have the 1-day transfer. So if I actually sent the money, and it came the next morning, so the money comes in fast. Unlike Robinhood takes about 5 days for the money to come in. So yeah, it's an alternative trading system where, like, it's not like other brokers. You're trading with other fellow Ustock members, which is why they get past it. So they have that T+0 rule. A lot of good stuff. So let me log in real quick. So with Ustock, you can see right here, it's a pretty clean interface, nice, clean. So what we have here is Lab U, Lab D. These are some of the ETFs I'm trading, and see how it doesn't have limited liquidity. Like, if I were to take a position, I can just put in 10 shares right here, and then put a market order, or I could give them a price basically. And if I were to want to fill it, I just click buy. It's gonna ask me order, review, but I'm not gonna click confirm because I'm not gonna put in that trade, obviously. So nice little interface. Let me show you let's see if a lower cap stock, let's see if it shows limited liquidity. Let me check. Yeah, but you would see some stocks, some penny stocks, it's gonna say limited liquidity, and what that means is you can't basically take a position. So if you guys are heavily into penny stocks, I would not recommend using this broker. But if you're trading like your everyday, regular, higher cap stocks or ETFs, I recommend this broker. If you're having troubles with, you want to get past the PDT rule. And there's other options, obviously. I know majority of people, what they do is they use offshore brokers like SureTrader or Comet Pro or Trade Zero. But I just don't like using offshore brokers, especially because you're not protected by the SEC. So if your money, if the company somehow bankrupts, your money's essentially gone. So I don't want to risk that. And also, they give you high leverage, and their commissions are also pretty high. So I just see Ustocktrade as the better alternative for me. Hopefully you guys could potentially see an option in here. And this is how I'm going to trade on Ustock. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have Ustock over here on the side. Let's see if I can do that right now. Yeah, okay, so I'll have Ustock right here. And then, so if I were to take a position, I would just put it down right here. Let me make it a little closer like that. So if I were to buy and sell a position, I just go here and click buy. I don't know why it logs you out. So if you guys are there's the app version of Ustock, and I heard horrible reviews about the app version. So if I were you, I'd recommend using the regular web version of the app. So now you can see, if I were to take a position, I can go here and just buy, sell, all that good stuff. So Ustocktrade, I recommend it as a broker. I'm going to be using it. I've been using it for the past couple of days. No problems getting fills, no problems exiting. So far, it's been phenomenal. So that's all That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna have more videos coming up this week about my trading. Might post. I don't know if I'll do live streams. I don't know if I'm able to do live streams on YouTube, but I'll double check on that. I'm new to this YouTube game, obviously. So take it easy, guys. True blessing for you guys to be here. Thank you so much. And don't forget, it's Secure to Bag 19. Deuces.
Hey Zoran, what's up with them beats?